Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So as part of this video, we'll discuss what how to perform a write operation. Okay, so let's go to the VS Code. So basically, write operation can be performed using the Cypress command, that is cy.writefile. So when exactly we can use this Cypress command? Suppose there is a automation script and you want to store some content in a JSON file. Suppose username and password. So that type of thing, how you can do. Okay, so let's start. cy.writefile, and you have to give the exact path of the file or where exactly you want to generate the specific file. Okay, so cy.writefile, in the single quote you have to give the location, that is Cypress slash. Suppose I will create under the fixtures folder. Okay, under that, suppose my credential dot JSON. So it will create a my credential dot JSON file inside fixture folder. Okay, so what exactly I want to print? I want to you can say I can write on that file. Okay, so comma I want to write username equal to suppose test user. Okay, under that I want to write password equal to anuj at the rate 123. Okay, so this is a plain JSON file that I want to store in a my credential.json file, which will get created under the fixture folder. So as of now you can see under the fixture folder I don't have any file called as my credential.json. Okay, so I'll just execute this file. I'll go to spec file, click on the write operation. See, the test case got passed, and we will just verify my credential.json, and here you can see the data got like I have written. I perform the write operation in a JSON file. Okay, so after that we will learn one more operation which we can do using our write file command. Okay, so I'll just remove this. Okay, so now, okay, I'll just undo this. I will copy this and I will create one more it block. There I'll write that piece of code. Okay, so now as part of this, I will write one more scenario where suppose there is you want to log your Cypress automation script. Suppose your test case is executing and parallelly you have to log your uh, execution. Okay, so that how we can do cy dot write file bracket. You want to generate the log file in the reports folder, so you have to give the path Cypress slash reports. This reports folder is there, reports. Okay, under that my log.txt. Okay, and then inside that you want to suppose write test case execution started. Okay, that's how you want to print. Okay, okay, I'll just click on save button. See how to perform right. This is already executed. So I will give one name how to perform login using the write file command. Okay, so if you can see under the reports folder, where is the reports folder? There is a file got created, that is my log.txt test case execute started. Okay, so if you want to, like in each and every level, if you want to log your automation script, that also you can perform using this read operation. Okay, and if you want to append one more line into this, then you can have to write, because uh, if I'll perform again the same line, what exactly it will do, it will override it. Test case 2, okay, test case 2 execution started. So what exactly it will do, it will replace, okay, see, test case 2 execute started. So what exactly I've done? So it has written the test case execution started, and after that, the test case 2 execution started got overridden. Okay, so to overcome that, we have to pass one specific file, I'll say, specific parameter that I have to give. Okay, so that is, we have to give one flag, that is flag a plus. So this is what you have to pass, so that whenever your test case will get executed, the okay, there is a wrong, okay, okay, so it will, what exactly will do, so it will append the, the text to the next line. Okay, so if I'll execute, if you see, the test case execute started and test case 2 execute started, so it appended the next line. Okay, then we will jump to the next scenario, like how you can perform. I'll give you a real-time example how you can use this write operation. Suppose you have an API call, okay, and I'm explaining the real-time scenario where you can use this write operation. Okay, whenever you get an interview, like you have an API call, and in the API call there is a get call is there, and get call, and in the get call you are getting a response in JSON file. Okay, and that JSON file will be act as an input to the post call. So in that case, what exactly it will do, you can store the get call response in a specific JSON file, and while performing the post call in the payload, you can just read the data from the stored file, that is JSON file, you can use directly in the post call. So here, in this way, you can use this read and write operation. I've created a separate video for the read operation. You can go through that and write that. This is how you can perform this read and write operation in your like real-time scenario. And whenever you get any interview question regarding that, whenever you're performing any read and write operation, you can explain in this way. Okay. So I hope you like this video. We'll meet in the next video with one more interview questions. Till then, goodbye.